Good day, grade 7 learners. How's your day? Welcome to another fun and exciting session of Valenzuela Live. This is Sir Jericho, your teacher in EIM 7. Today, we're going to have a fruitful discussion because our topic is very useful in our daily living. I know that you are all ready for another learning experience. Come, join me, and let's explore the world of electricity. For today's topic, interpret technical drawings and plans. Our learning competency is to analyze electrical components and materials based on electrical signs, symbols, and data. For today's objectives, A. Recognize the electrical components and materials based on electrical signs, symbols, and data. Draw electrical symbols and write its purpose. And letter C. Value the importance of familiarizing yourself with the different symbols of electrical components and materials. Before we proceed with our discussion, let's have first the significant question to be answered later. Why is it important to know the different symbols used in electricity? Now, let's have an activity entitled Give Me the Sign. You're going to analyze the different signs presented and identify the appropriate description for each. Write the letter of the correct answer in the box. Are you ready? For number 1, what is your answer? Yes, letter C indicates precautionary measures against potentially hazardous situation. For number 2, correct, letter A indicates high voltage in the area and surrounding equipment. Number 3, what is your answer? Letter E. It means that a person should do some reading before doing any activity. Number 4, very good. Letter B indicates that a person should observe extra awareness. Number 5, yes, letter D indicates that electrical hazard is present in the area. Good job, learners! Are signs important? Why? Signs are very important as well as the symbols in the electrical world. Electrical symbols, also known as schematic symbols, are graphical representation of electronic and electrical devices or components. These symbols are used to represent the various items of materials and components in electrical diagrams in order to recognize them. By using the symbols, it simplifies the drafting of a plan and makes it easy to understand because the symbols are standardized throughout the industry. Questions? Okay, let's have another activity. Symbol Man. You're going to identify the component or material being shown. Then, give its function and purpose. What's the answer? Good. Battery. two cells use together to start electric current. Next, awesome! Fuse. What is the function of a fuse? It protects the electrical circuits by stopping the flow of current when the intensity of current exceeds a set value. What's your answer? Correct. Connected wires. What is the use of this? Connected wires allow an electrical current to travel from one point on a circuit to another. What is your answer, learners? Magnifico. Speaker. What is the function of a speaker? It converts electricity to sound waves. Next. Very good. Switch. What is the function of a switch? It connects and disconnects the current. How about this? Terrific. Wires. What is the use of wire? It connects the electrical components in the circuit. How about this one? Amazing! Motors. What is the function of a motor? It converts electricity to movement. This one? Marvelous! Lamp. What is the function of a lamp? It converts electricity to heat or light. This one? Excellent! Inductors. What is the function of an inductor? It stores energy in a magnetic field or flux. This one? Brilliant! Resistors. What is the function of a resistor? It reduces the flow of current in a circuit. Very good, learners. It seems that you are all familiar with the different electric symbols. Now, get ready with your paper and pen. You will watch a video and take down notes on the different electrical symbols that will be shown. Get ready to answer some questions after. Are you ready?
Components with its symbols and functions. Alternating current, power source. Start electric current. Direct current, power source. Starts electric current. Outlet, duplex. Horizontal line on the left of the circle indicates that the outlet is wall-mounted. Outlet, floor. A solid circle inside a circle. Ground, protection against electrical shock. Cell, starts electric current. Diode, allows current to flow in one direction. Nodes, a point at which two or more elements are joined together. Capacitor, it is used to store electric charge.
Now, you're going to rearrange the jumbled letters to form the correct word. The description is given to serve as your guide. Number 1. It starts the electric current. What is the answer? Correct. Cell. Number 2. It is used to store Electrical charge. Yes, capacitor. Number 3, it connects and disconnects the current. Answer? Switch. Very good. Number 4, it protects electrical circuits by stopping the flow of current when the intensity of current exceeds a set value. What is the answer? Fuse. You're doing great. Number 5, it converts electricity to heat or light. Correct. Lamp. Excellent. To test if you fully understand the lesson, get your notebook and pen. And let's have a short quiz. Directions. Match the symbols with its name by writing the letter of the correct answer on the space provided before each number. Okay, let's check your answer. Number 1, E. Number 2, H. Number 3, D. Number 4, B. Number 5, I. Number 6, C. 7, F. 8, J. 9, G. And number 10, A. Now, let's answer the significant question that I gave you earlier. Why is it important to know the different symbols used in electricity? Electrical symbols are required to do the electrical drawing. And without the help of electrical symbols, we won't be able to do the electrical drawing. Electrical circuits are represented by electrical drawings. Symbols and number are used to represent electrical circuits. To answer all your queries, let's have Q&A. Just type your queries in the comment section. Here's the first question from Bignay National High School. Why is it important to represent components with symbols? The symbols are very important to represent electronic components. In a circuit diagram without any electronic symbol, the design of circuit and schematics are very difficult, and also knowing the components is a must to read the circuit diagram representation. Another question from Arcombato National High School. Why do we need to know electrical symbols and electrical signages? Many electrical accidents happen globally, but with proper placement, these tragedies can be prevented. Electrical safety signs and electrical safety symbols are imperative in warning people that electrical hazards are probable while working, and also remind them to take the necessary steps to stay safe. For questions not being selected, your TLE teachers will answer during your follow-up discussion tomorrow. Congratulations! You did a great job. I am very much confident that you have developed the most important skill today, and that is analyze electrical components and materials based on electrical signs, symbols, and data. For your assignment, answer all the activity in your learning module, week 5. That is all for today. See you again for another learning experience. Again, this is Sir Jericho leaving you with the quote, symbols are powerful because they are the visible signs of invisible realities. Goodbye, stay safe, and God bless.